beautiful.
Parsley. This is a very Italian-American dish, but it translates to French chicken. Cheers. Wow. Do you want to try it? Try it. Thank you. Oh my gosh, so good. And I cut all the weird bits out. I put so much butter. Oh, it's amazing.
Very, very